Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where we look for possible swing trades using technical analysis. Before we begin, all I ask is you hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And with that, today we're taking a look at XPEL Incorporated, ticker symbol XPEL. This is a microcap company with a market cap of $1.43 billion. And this company focuses on automobile parts. And when I say auto parts, I do not just mean engine parts. You look at the company's description, you will see they sell everything you could possibly imagine or need to fix, make, or work on your car, down to the tools and wax and cloths you would use to polish your car. This is a very expansive list of products and services that they make and sell across every continent people live on. And here we are on XPEL's annual chart, and you'll see that they suffered a significant drop lately. Two huge red candles that took the share price down from the high 70s all the way to just below $50 a share to where it is now. And this sort of reaction in the market is often an overreaction, and what you'll get is once the share price bottoms out, it'll pull back somewhere in between these 2 points. But we'll see. And if we take a look at the RSI, you'll see it is oversold and bouncing around in that oversold zone. The stochastics are also both oversold and look to be bouncing sideways. The volume chart shows a huge spike in selling pressure, which is now declining, and started to get a green candle in there, but does not look like we are going to reverse directions based on that volume anytime soon. And the MACD is falling and does not appear to have reached a bottom as of yet. If we take a look at the fundamentals, you'll see there is some short interest here, 9.15%. That is noteworthy. And I don't know, of course, if that's enough to push out a short squeeze, but it is not beyond the realm of possibility. You have institutional ownership at 68%, which again is fair and would drive that short squeeze, but that remains to be seen. And we look at the debt here, and this is a good sign for XPEL. It has less debt than 83% of other companies in their industry, although I'll point out that this is a significant amount of debt. So that tells me that the automobile parts industry is one that carries significant inherent costs, which we'll see reiterated down here in the profitability section. And the PE ratio is still high. 29.33 is higher than I would like to see, and perhaps the share price will continue to fall and offer an even better buying in price. But at the moment, the PE does make me a bit leery, although it is only slightly above average for the industry. It is higher than 66% of other companies in that industry. Again, we look at the gross margin of 41%. That is excellent. It's just flat out good. However, this is average for the industry. Then we look at the operating margin of 17%. And this is, again, it's good, quite good. But then we look down here as a comparative measure, and that beats out 90% of other companies in the industry. So a gross margin of 41% is average, but an operating margin of 17% is outstanding. And what that tells me, again, is that the auto parts industry operates with significant overhead costs. And this company just does better at controlling those costs than most. And we look down here, the return on equity, 38%. That is amazing. And it commensurately beats out 92% of other companies in that industry. Earnings per share growth is greater than 66% of others. So these are all good measures. And overall, I would say the only concerning thing here is the short interest at 9%. That does make me a little leery. And the PE ratio of 29, again, that might make me a little hesitant to take up a position. But the other metrics here are good. And one other thing I'll mention is that according to Yahoo Finance, XPEL is 59% undervalued, which is not something I see on that website very often. So according to their analysts, there is a lot of upside to this company. But please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoy having ideas like this sent to you, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos post. And remember, I'm not offering financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for entertainment, discussion, and education. But if you'd like me to take a look at a specific company using these metrics, just let me know in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.